usual gel, which is the extreme wet and wild. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know this is not the usual intro, but in today's video I'll be attempting to make hair gel with sea moss. And this video is inspired by Naptural85. I saw her video and she made it and her hair looked really nice, so I decided to try it on my hair. So I'll be doing that today. Yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that and seeing how it turns out, because this is gonna be a surprise for me as much as it is for you. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the sea moss has been soaking for a long time. This was actually like 2 small packs, and I didn't want to get more than that because I didn't think it would be needed, since I'm only just doing like a test. So now I'm just gonna drain this water and rinse it so that all the debris and bugs are out of it. So I'm gonna put the sea moss in the pan, putting it like that, and I'm gonna use some spring water because she used distilled water / filtered water, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna use this. And she said to put just enough to cover the sea moss. Just gonna do that, so basically 1 bottle, I guess. Then I'm gonna put it on medium high heat. So yeah, this is gonna boil for a while. Okay guys, this is the best I can do because it was beginning to stick to the pot. So I'm just gonna let it cool for a while so it can get a little bit thicker or whatever. And then I'm gonna put it in the NutriBullet just so it can get a softer consistency, because if I leave it to boil some more, I think it's just gonna burn. So that's what I'm gonna do. But it's getting there, it's getting to that jelly consistency, and I prefer my gels to be a little on the thicker side, so that's no problem. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it to cool and then come back when I'm putting it in the NutriBullet. Then I'm gonna get 1/2 cup of water again, just to add to it to let it get a little bit thinner, because it's thick right now. Yeah, that's actually 1/2 cup, so that's, I don't think I needed 1/2 cup, but well. Then I'm gonna add my oil. This is the Miracle-Gro CBD hair oil to strengthen, repair and regrow hair. Then I have my sweet almond oil and my rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil, and this has biotin in it and it's from Male Organics. Lastly, I'm gonna add some avocado oil. So this is it guys, very jelly like. and I managed to make one full jar of it. One full jar. Hopefully it actually works how I expect it to work. So I'm back, guys, and my hair is completely dry with no product at all in it, like completely dry. So I'm gonna have to like get it damp again to apply the gel. So now I'm just gonna split my hair in 4 and do them in sections, seeing as though my hair is fully dry and shrunken right now, so it's gonna be easier for me to manage. So my hair is wet enough, so now I'm just gonna you hear that? There's nothing in it. Nothing. So this is the finished product, guys. It turned very white once the oils hit it, and it's really thick, which I like. Yes, so this is the consistency of it, and that's fine by me. It's weighing it down already, so that's a good sign that it's actually doing something. So I'm just gonna do the rest while you guys watch, and I'll come back if I have anything important to say. So I'm back, guys, and this side is a little bit dry and this side is getting there because I just finished this side, so of course shrinkage, whatever, but it looks really nice. Honestly, it looks shiny because of the oil. Like, it looks really good. It really looks. Only thing is there is a like crunch, there's a hole, which is good. I can always break it down with oil or whatever, but I think it's gonna come out nice. and my hair looks just the same as when I use my usual gel, which is the extreme wet and wild the extreme wet line gel. So I think it's nice. I just hope it doesn't flake, because when you don't really work it in well, as she said in her video, it will leave flaking. So I hope it doesn't, but I'm really liking it so far. It's really nice and it's really shiny. So this is what I have left. It's not really, I didn't really use that much, which is nice. And her gel was a bit runnier. I kind of like mine thicker and not runnier, because I feel like the runnier it is, the less my hair takes to it. So the thicker gel is really nice and it's really creamy. Like, it's really creamy. Like, that's nice. But yeah, I'm excited to see how it will come out when it's dry tomorrow and stretched. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is stretch my hair and call it a night. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video informative, helpful, or fun. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And I'm almost at 1K subscribers. It's been a long time coming, and I'm so thankful for everyone that is subscribed and those that stay subscribed. Without you guys, I obviously would not be here right now saying this, and I'm really thankful. Honestly, I really am. I didn't think I'd see the day this soon when I get to 1K subscribers, but it's gonna be here. It's getting here, and I'm really thankful, and I'm interested and looking forward to what I bring to this platform and my channel. And yeah, I'm just so excited. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.